Hello all, this is Manoj Ravipati. Welcome to my channel. This is Today I'm going to show you all how we can create a resource group within the portal and also through Terraform. So let me log in with my credentials to the Azure portal first. And if you see my portal right now, I'm in subscription. I'm under the subscription right now, Azure subscription one. I don't see any of the resources available under my subscription at the moment. So what I'm gonna do is like I'll go ahead and search in search bar for resource group, and I'll click on that create, and it will bring me to the page where I can pass my resource group name. I'm using resource. Uh, Resource issue, and also I would like to mention the region. In my case, I'm using UK South as my region, so I'll click on next. So it will bring me to the page like I can pass tags. So basically tags are for uh, more control purpose, like you can see validation passed here. So I'm going to click on create, and it will be created. And if you go to the resource, it will show you the Azure resource got created. That's under resource groups. So this is how we can create the Azure resource group from the portal. Also, this is nothing but like HashiCorp Terraform uh, provider. So basically what it will do is like with the help of this Terraform providers and definitions, so this predefined code, we can just make a copy of these things for a basic resource creation structure, and we can do our necessary changes within the editor, and we can run Terraform commands to apply those changes. What I'm going to do is like I'm going to open this VS Code. I have the VS Code installed in my laptop, so in my Mac. So I'm going to do is like so if you see my main.tf file, that is nothing but like all the Terraform files start end with .tf files. So in my case, I have already some of the resources got created before this project, so I would like to remove that piece of code. I will just go ahead and create the resource group from the Terraform. So that's the reason I'm left with the resource group thing. I forgot to mention. So we need to add Azure tools under the extensions. Like if you see, you'll get to see like it will ask you to install the Azure tools. Like if you click on that install, it will be installed in the backend. So when it comes to the files, other files, like if you see in the left side, there are terraform.tf state file, which is nothing but like what's the current state of the resources that you have created through Terraform. And there was another file called backup file, which is also for the backup of the Terraform state file. Basically we will keep these files in the remote location. We can make use of these files from the remote repository in real time. So in my case, I am using it, keeping it in my local, and I'm using it from my local. uh, Also, uh, I would like to mention necessary accesses that we need to have in handy for the real-time scenarios. Like if you see here, have Azure portal subscription, GitHub, Visual Studio Code, Terraform issue, and the Azure DevOps thing. So if we have them in handy, we are good enough to start working on this uh, Azure portal and Terraform. So what I am going to do right now, we have written the Terraform code for provisioning the resource group. So if you want to apply those changes, first we need to run the first step like Terraform init. Basically, it will initialize the backend with the required providers to run the Terraform commands and apply these changes. So once it is shown successfully initialized, so we should be able to uh, go ahead with the next step, second step, that is nothing but Terraform plan. So let me do that here. If I click on if I write the Terraform plan command here in the terminal, so it will show me like a list of resources going to be added and a list of resources going to be destroyed. So in my case it's showing one is ready to add and one is getting destroyed. So I'm okay with this. So what I'm going to do right now is like Terraform apply that, which is nothing but last step of this. Like if I do that Terraform apply now from the terminal, so whatever the resources that we have seen in whatever the resources plan we have seen in Terraform plan command, so this apply command will go ahead and apply those changes in the portal. So right now I have and co- committed the command, like I have run that command Terraform apply, and it is asking me to provide yes or no, in my case, like whether I would like to go ahead and proceed or not, I would like to stop. So I said yes. So it will show us like apply complete with the one resource added and one destroyed. So if you see here, if you go back to the terminal and if you refresh under the subscription, you you will get, I'm going to subscription and I will go to the resource groups. So here you can see RLG infra, which is nothing but resource a new resource group that I have created from Terraform. This is how you can create from portal and also through Terraform. Hope you all like this video, and in the upcoming videos I will try to cover all the resources, how we can deploy Azure Blob Storage, SQL Server, DBs, Azure Data Factory, data sets and all from the Terraform. Okay, thank you all.